Hello and welcome to this lecture, where you are going to learn a brief introduction to regression. Classification is used to predict classes. For example, predict the risk to give a loan to a customer, high risk, medium risk, or low risk. On the other hand, regression is used for prediction, but prediction of numbers. There are some examples based on the advertising costs. The goal is to predict the sales. Both are numerical variables. This is X variable and the result is Y variable. Another example, based on the temperature, humidity, and air pressure, X variables, the goal is to predict wind speed, which is Y variable. Based on the external factors, the goal is to predict the dollar price. Based on the exam results, the objective is to predict a probability that a patient survives, variable Y. Another example, prediction of risk of investments based on the credit card spending and the history of the customer. The goal is to predict the new limit for the credit card. Based on previous values, the objective is to predict the product values, the new prices for the products. And the result of all of them, variable Y, is a number. This is the main difference between classification and regression. We can see here this image. In classification, we need to identify the classes. On the other hand, in regression, we need to predict numbers. In the next lecture, you are going to understand a brief introduction to linear regression, which is one of the most common algorithms for this task. See you there!